What's going on, guys? My name is Joshua Dangle George, and in this video I am going to give you my brutally honest opinion on Clickbank University 2.0. So guys, welcome to today's video, and like I said, I am going to give my honest opinion on Clickbank University. Now, for those of you that do not know what Clickbank University is, it's basically a product of Clickbank. Clickbank is basically a platform for affiliate marketers to promote affiliate products and then get commission of it through Clickbank. And then Clickbank University is basically a product of Clickbank itself and shows you, how you can basically earn money online by promoting products. Now, with that said, basically when I got Clickbank University, I thought it was going to be like an in-depth tutorial on how to use Clickbank and how to sell and promote other people's products. However, what I have noticed, and I'm just going to basically say it to you guys right away without beating around the bush too much, is it's very much focused on how you can create your own product and then use Clickbank to promote it. Okay, so it's like the other side of the spectrum, really, which was a bit disappointing for me because that wasn't really what I wanted. Obviously, because I'm doing the YouTube videos and I'm documenting my journey of Clickbank. I purchased it without really looking into the details too much. So maybe if I looked into it better, I probably would have known that it is very much on how you can create your own product, digital product. Whether that is a course, an ebook, a podcast, an audiobook, whatever, and how you can create it, design it, and then promote it on Clickbank and get other affiliate marketers to basically promote your product, and then you earn commission off the back of that. So let's say your product, let's say you create an online course and it's $1,000, and then you can put it up on Clickbank, and let's say you give 40% commission, then other people will do the promotion for you. You basically earn $600 passively, because the product is created. It's an info product. It doesn't cost you anything. Everything you earn from that point onwards is basically passive income, because the work is already done. You've created the course, and then from there the affiliate marketer gets $400 for basically doing the grunt work and promoting your product. So everybody wins essentially. You get $600 because you've created the product, and the affiliate marketer gets $400 for promoting your product, and he's happy because he basically gets to he gets commission for promoting a product that he didn't even create, and you're happy because you've basically promote or sold the product without promoting actually going out there and promoting it. Okay, so it's like you can create a win-win situation. But like I said, I didn't really want to create my own product. I just wanted to know how to leverage Clickbank to promote other people's products and earn commission off of that. So yeah, like I said, a bit disappointing, but I already have my own digital products, so it was still quite interesting to go through it and to see how Clickbank want you to promote it. But like I said, if you want to learn more about Clickbank itself and how you can promote other people's products, then I don't think this is the right course or training, whatever you want to call it, for you. Okay, if you do want to create your own digital product and then let other people on Clickbank promote it for you, then this is it is generally a good product. I do have to say, if you are, so I'm not a complete beginner. I've done media buying for a couple of years now. I have my own agency, where we generate leads and sales, for clients. So I already have enough knowledge on online marketing. But basically, when you log in, there's so much information. There's almost an information overload, and I definitely think that as a beginner, that can be quite overwhelming. So that is a sort of little negative point towards Clickbank University. There's so much information, and it can be very overwhelming if you're just starting out. With that said, the information and the videos and the content that is in Clickbank University is quite outdated. It's a few years old, and I get the feeling that it's not going to be updated anytime soon. It looks like that information and the content and the videos are there to stay. There was an example I can't think of what it was. It was Upwork, that was it. So basically they mentioned Upwork, which is a freelancer platform, but they don't call it Upwork, they call it something like Elance or something like that. And when I went to Google it, I realized that it's actually Upwork, or what it used to be called like 2-3 years ago. So that is just to give you an indication of how old the content is. And like I said, it doesn't look like that's going to be updated anytime soon. But anyway, I don't want this to be like a negative review or anything like that. I'm just giving my honest opinion on it. I do think, you know, it is a good training platform. You know, there's it basically, you know, if you are a complete beginner, it will give you an indication of what it's like to earn money online. And one thing I do really like, and what I really stand for, is basically earning money from your passion, you know, monetizing your passion, your hobbies, things that you like doing. I am, you know, a very strong believer in the point that you are better earning $10,000 a month from something that you really enjoy and really like than being depressed earning $20,000 a month, you know, working for someone, you know, in a job that you hate, etc. Okay, and no matter how odd or strange or unique your hobbies and passions are, there are always ways to monetize, okay? Especially now with the online world, you know, you are not alone, you know, you're not, you know, like, you do not have a unique passion, you know, it can be something that isn't considered, you know, the most normal thing in the world, but that doesn't mean there's not other people out there like you. So regardless of what your passion and your hobby is, what I do, you know, like I said, what I really liked about Clickbank University is that they do show you, you know, how you can create a product around that and then promote that on Clickbank. So let's say you've got, you know, you love to paint. Okay, that's not really a strange hobby, but let's say, you know, let's say you like to create art. Okay, it's not something that is very easy to earn money from, unless, you know, you're a famous artist. But Clickbank basically show, you know, how you can create a digital product from it, whether that is a course on how you do the art, how you create the art, whether that is, you know, an ebook about art or anything like that. They show you how you can do it and then how you can set it up on Clickbank to get other people to promote your products. And then Clickbank, you know, because it's such a broad platform, will find affiliates that will help you promote that product, and then they obviously go out and find you the right audience, okay? And then speaking of positive notes, the videos, although they were a bit outdated, were, you know, in very high quality. It was like watching high definition content, which is great. They show you how you can basically like build a website if you haven't got ClickFunnels or like Amazon S3 or anything like that. There is quite an active community attached to the Clickbank University as well. You know, people answering each other's questions and all that, which I do really like. And lastly, they also had like quite an in-depth YouTube crash course, you know, so basically how you can get started with YouTube ads and then promote them, you know, through like pre-roll ads. So for example, let's go back to the art, what I mentioned. So if you are promoting some kind of art product, you can then go onto YouTube and then have your advertisement run before the actual video. So let's say, you know, you have that art product, you can then go onto YouTube, find other art videos or products or videos that are related to your product, and then have your advertisement run, you know, before the actual video plays. So you'll be like the annoying ad that people wait to skip. But like I said, you know, because you are running it before a YouTube ad that is relevant, you will get a lot of traffic onto your landing page. Okay, and then one last thing I do want to mention before I give my like sort of final verdict on Clickbank University is I really didn't like the fact that you have to unlock you know, training modules, and you have to like fill out forms to get access to other training modules. I understand what they're trying to do, you know, it is like a sort of the blocking off certain sections, and they make you want to, you know, opt in to get the rest of you know, the products, and like there's constant upsells. I think there's like 2 or 3 upsells. I'll probably have like a pop up right now in the screen to just show you guys, you know, what the upsells are, and they are, you know, they are quite transparent in what the upsells are, because obviously they have affiliates promoting Clickbank University as well. So obviously, you know, we do need to know what the upsells are, etc. But you know, there are upsells to it. It's not just the $47 a month product. You know, they do make you try and go up their value ladder and purchase, you know, more of it. With that said, I do not think it is worth the $47 a month. It's definitely worth a one-time payment. Like if you could get all this for $47, I'll definitely recommend getting it. Regardless of if you're trying to promote your own products or someone else's products, it's definitely worth the $47, but not on a month-to-month basis. Okay, so I would not continue with this subscription. I don't think it's worth $47 each and every month. And like I said, the upsells are just quite annoying, and it's a shame that you have to unlock those, training, the other training courses and modules of the training. With that said, if you are, thinking of creating your own product, then I do think it's a very, very good platform to start off with. It gives you so much information to the point where it's almost information overload. But if you're just on Clickbank to promote other people's products, then I don't think it's the right product for you. And I do recommend looking elsewhere, because there are courses and YouTube videos, and there's so much information on Clickbank that it's not worth spending $47 a month on.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dice University. Dice University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dice University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.